Yesterday we poured the slab on our new show home here at Lot 21 at Maymorn Farms. We're going to have a bit of a wander around the site and pick out some of the key features to make you aware of. So the boys from Rapid Slabs have come in yesterday at about 6:30. They had 10 truckloads in here and they poured this slab. They've let it cure yesterday and today. Now they're coming around and they're removing all of the boxing and all of the rebates, and they're going to take that material away, and we're ready. Once the slab's cured a little bit more, we'll bring the framing on and we'll start the framing process. So when you're boxing a slab or pouring a slab, there's some key things that might be of interest as we go around. I'm going to point those out to you. Here we've started with the rebate. This is your garage. This is for your garage door. So they've had a rebate piece of timber in here. As that's cured, they've pulled it out. They've chamfered that edge, and that's the edge to your garage door. As we look around the site, this home's got 3 different claddings on it. It's got a brick cladding, it's got an aerated concrete board, which is a Stowe product, and then we have flash clad. Now the difference between those 3 claddings is the aerated concrete board and the brick. They sit on top of that rebate, and I'll show you an example of that. The flash clad, like a lot of other cladding products, actually sits proud of the slab. That'll actually sit on the outside and come down a little bit further, whereas your brick cladding and your aerated concrete, that actually sits on the edge of the slab and it has weep holes at the bottom of it. So the boxing system that the team at Rapid Slabs use is a reusable system. They have these steel stays, and a lot of this boxing can be scraped and reused time and time again. So they've gone through, they've pegged it into place, used steel stays to hold it there, and then either cut it to length or used pre-cut lengths as the boxing. Another standout feature here on the show home is we're going with rebated shower trays. You can see they've rebated this with some 2x4 around it. The slab's now cured. They'll pull this out, and when it comes time, they'll come through and they'll actually tile the shower floor and slope it in. That just gives you a flush entry as you come in. We'll use glass as a surround and then a tile back and tile floor, so it'll be a lovely look. At the top end of your shower floor options is the rebated tiled shower. You can see an example of it here. There's 4x2 that's been placed, the slab's been poured. Once the slab's cured, this rebate will be pulled out and the team will come through and they'll tile the shower floor. The benefit of this is it's a flush entry. There's nothing to trip on, okay, but it is all still sloping in to the drain, so you won't have water all over your bathroom. Once that's tiled up the sides, we'll use a glass surround and door. So there you have it. The slab's been poured, the rebates are in for the shower floors, for the brick, for the Stowe, and the boxing's all coming off. We're just eagerly awaiting the steel frames to arrive, and we'll start framing it up over the next couple of weeks.